Alrighty, here we go. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Paramount Paving. When it comes to paving, they are paramount. Give them a call for a free estimate today. Here we go. Small craft advisory was trimmed at around noon today, so that means we are done with this advisory, so that means it's getting out of here. With wave heights are starting to relax just a bit. Some areas still around 3 to 6 foot wave heights. So we're going to start seeing things relax for a little while yet before we have to watch for our next system that will begin to move in. For now, we're quiet today with the mostly cloudy sky. You have to look further down to the south, whether that's over the ocean or even in southwestern Maine for some rainfall that will be moving in today. But for us, we'll be looking okay. We have to zoom things out to look for more of the active weather with this area low pressure right about in here that's going to be tracking off towards the east into the north and east. And along that system, though, that'll give us the opportunity for a little bit of icy precipitation moving in, and of course some other precipitation types as well. Let's break this down with Futurecast. So decreasing clouds for today. So by tonight will become partly cloudy, but tomorrow though, look what happens. Increasing clouds. Watching for our next active mess that will be moving in as early as around 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning. So as we watch for that, that will begin to move in. A lot of ice, wintry mix possible, so we'll need to be careful with this as we head towards Wednesday morning, lasting through the evening as well. Some snow to the north briefly, but that starts to clear up for a bit by Thursday morning, so a little bit of a break. The normal rain moving in as the cold front passes through as we head towards Thursday evening, and then by Friday morning, looking better though. Just a little bit cooler though with that gusty north breeze that will be passing through right after the cold front moves through as well. So as for snowfall, nothing too extreme, maybe an inch or two in some areas before we're all finished up. Further off towards the north, that's before we transition to more of that icy mess as well. In some areas, though, could be talking 2 to maybe 3/10 of an inch of ice. So as this all develops, so we're going to be very careful with this. So if you're traveling further off towards the north, it will get rather messy. So definitely be careful with that before we transition to all rain. And if you know anyone across a good part of the Midwestern country and even further down toward the south, they will need to be careful, though. Chances for strong to severe thunderstorms possible, especially over in the red shaded areas. Some tornadoes can be ruled out either. Some rather stronger ones. So again, if you know anyone in these areas, give them a call and make sure they're paying attention to the weather today. All right, mid-50s today, mostly cloudy, west wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, here we go, mid-20s, partly cloudy. We lose some cloud cover, north wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, upper 30s, rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow possible. We'll have to watch that ice accumulation closely, with the northeast wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Paramount Paving extended forecast. Our wintry mix will switch over to all rain on Thursday with highs in the mid-50s, and then mostly cloudy on Good Friday, highs in the mid-40s, and lots of sunshine on Saturday, highs in the low 40s.